This is Rob Sebek with Don's Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about your SubZero throwing a service error code. So it might say schedule service, it might show you a little wrench, it might even show you a little gear icon. It depends on how old your unit is. But in this case, it's going to be down here and showing on the left side of this control panel. So whatever generation it is, your first line of defense is going to be lifting up your grill and taking the soft bristle brush on your vacuum and hitting those condenser coils on the left and on the right. This is going to get really dusty over the years and build up, so you need to make sure you keep that clean. Beyond that, if your refrigerator has a water feature or an ice feature or both, you're going to go ahead up here and change out your water filter too, just to be safe if you haven't done it recently. And then finally, you're going to check your air purification cartridge. Pull that guy out. This is once a year, and the water's once a year as well. If none of these things work, go to donsappliances.com and schedule service or call your local service technician.